Unlocking the meaning, the power of understanding ancestry. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating word that tells us a lot about where we come from and our roots, ancestry. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of this term, how to use it in sentences, and why it plays a crucial role in understanding our personal history. So, let's get started. Ancestry is a noun, and it refers to one's family line or lineage. It encompasses all of your relatives, both living and deceased, and traces back through multiple generations. When we talk about someone's ancestry, we are talking about their ancestors, their parents, grandparents, great-grandparents, and so on, going back through time. For example, she has French ancestry. His ancestry can be traced back to the Mayflower. Understanding one's ancestry can be crucial for various reasons. It helps people connect with their roots, understand their family's history, and can even play a significant role in health and genetics. For some, exploring ancestry is a way to learn more about their cultural background and heritage, which can be a source of pride and identity. Now that we understand what ancestry means, let's look at how to use it in sentences. Her ancestry includes a long line of artists and musicians. The DNA test revealed surprising details about his ancestry. In both examples, ancestry helps to provide context about a person's family history and lineage. One common mistake is confusing ancestry with descendants. Remember, ancestry refers to your relatives from past generations, while descendants are your future generations, your children, grandchildren, and so on. Make sure to use these terms correctly to convey the right meaning. And that wraps up our exploration of the word ancestry. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning of this term and shown you how it connects us to our family's past. Remember, understanding our ancestry is like uncovering a unique story that belongs to us. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.